for coming.
It's my pleasure to be here, as always. What is new here?
Well, I guess, we meet pretty often, so you probably didn't miss too much. More or less the same trends remain. Also, our business is being impacted by artificial intelligence. Also, our business is being impacted by automation and cloud. So we see that the nature of projects is changing quite considerably. We see that the way we do work, the amount of work really changes by application of artificial intelligence to the way we create code. First of all, IT work is versatile. It is very different. So you do get, as you just alluded to, foundational education, and this foundational education is enough or is needed for quite a variety of different roles. So some people choose to focus more, for example, on analysis, on design, on strategy with this education. Then there are other people who are more focused on functional consulting. Then there are still other people who are more focused on coding. And there are still other people that are more focused on testing. Then there is still other group of people who are more focused on, for example, project management. Then, for example, if we talk about functional consulting, it can be in very different systems. It can be SAP, which is the leader in ERP, or it can be in Salesforce.com, which is the leader in CRM, or it can be in Oracle Cloud Solutions, another leader in ERP. So within this specialty, functional consulting, there is a huge variety of different systems, right? Which is a big plus because it allows people to achieve very good levels of specialization. Same thing is with programming. There is a variety of languages, a lot of languages. I would say that in real life, 5 to 7 languages are in continuous use. Java, .NET, C++, etc. And but this again allows people both choice and ability to specialize. Then IT is it's a career, so it's pretty interesting, right?
My name is Alice Dinko. I recently started a PhD. The work is very interesting. You have possibilities to grow across different tools, industries and clients. You have options to travel, to meet different people across the world. What I want to tell about Transport and Automation Institute is why I joined it and studied there all my professional years. It is that they have solid and powerful technical knowledge about innovations, different technologies.
From your perspective as a teacher, as a professor, so what does it take for people to switch from being users of technology into being, creators of technology? Do you see a big difference in the, mind shift or skill shift?
The majority of our students are keen enough this area. They already can program something, they are user of software, so it's not a specific problem.
So I guess it's about having a practical application to what you learn.
Yes, but not from the very beginning. First, we have to create a kind of fundamentals, theoretical basis, including discrete mathematics and other things, algorithms. And maybe the fourth part of time we dedicate to practical work.
What is the impact of virtual ways of learning? Because right now students can watch Arctic expeditions on live stream. They can join all types of events on live stream. People learn online more and more. What's the impact that you see in real life?
You are right, it is a great impact of technology on education, and mostly now we have not pure face-to-face education, but blended, as well as traditional lectures and hand-on practice. We also have a lot of techniques to share global knowledge with our students. For example, we may teach them remotely. Our institution has a branch in Daugavpils, and we broadcast our lectures to Daugavpils. We have virtual laboratory equipment which gives the best world-level approach to some solutions. We have special professional courses, for example, Cisco courses, which completely based on virtual environment. including teaching and certification. Self-training mostly will be based on something remote, accessible on internet. So
I guess today students can get access to best theoretical knowledge remotely, but what TSI does is to ensure that there is an opportunity to take this theoretical knowledge and then transfer them into skills.
Yeah, correct. That's why we consider that the minimum length of education in computer science for bachelor is 4 years. 3 years for theory, for fundamentals, and 1 year to be prepared for practical work. After graduating, our graduates is ready for employment. They may take position like a junior developer and continue education inside IT company.
Transport and Telecommunication Institute has powerful knowledge about technologies and knowledgeable professors and students because they have interesting programs. They are very close cooperating with IT companies. Join IT because it's around us, because it's interesting and it grows and changes every day.
And what about prospective job positions for our graduates? Have you enough specialists to solve your current task, or you need some more?
The industry has grown quite a lot. I'm pretty sure it will continue to grow because Latvia as an economy is pretty small, and then if you want to develop a decent, sustainable business, you do need to export, right? So from that perspective, I think we are very far away from any type of stable state. As you know, our analysis shows that we need to have 3 times more graduates than we have today for Latvian economy to achieve some sort of equilibrium within it.
We have everything to solve it. So we have good teachers, we have modern environment, we have good examples from industry, we have good connections with our partners. We invite them to share their knowledge, and from the very beginning our students are completely informed what will be their future job. And we can deliver the newest examples of technology. So everybody who wants and will get this knowledge will be satisfied. So may I say that our successful graduates will have guarantee to be employed for decades.
Yes. Good.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Good.
Yes.